But the reason we give up is because of what other people think. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about INFPs. And this is a video I'm making from my own personal experience and also my own personal thoughts, because I think that there are some things that we really need to know and we really need to do at a certain point in our time as an INFP. And so this is a video about what you need to do / avoid as an INFP if you're 18-year-old. So let's start off with the first on the list is to follow your passions. Your passions by creating huge, big passion projects. And when I mean big, like example, if you're gonna write a book, that is a huge passion project. Something that you could follow up when you are in your free time, and also it can last extremely long. If you're writing a book, it can take many months, it can take years. So that is a passion project I'm talking about. Ones that you can really keep up with and still creativity within you. So if I'm writing a book, I must feel that I am using my creative vibes, my creative energy and strength into composing a book. I know writing a book and reading a book is extremely stereotypical INFP. I don't even read books, okay? But I say I do create projects, such as one that I'm doing right now, which is recording a video and posting it on YouTube. So that is, for me, the project I'm on. And I am able to put a lot of creativity into it because every time I create a video, see, I use the word create, right? You create something new. That is what I want to see within you and within us as INFPs, obviously. Secondly, this is something that you need to avoid. You need to leave negative energy. Negative energy surrounds you every single day. People you hate, with the people you love, with the people that you don't even know, with anything, because right now you have just social media and there's so much negativity built up on everything. May chance buy videos of how to be a better person, how to be a better man, and an INFP, you're looking at it and you just don't relate to it. They say guys should hit the gym. I'm like, I don't like to run away from my problems. So leave negative energy. Don't allow others' thoughts, opinions ruin you or stop you from moving forward. The most important thing is that you do not filter in all this negative energy that is going to bring you down, that's not going to make you move forward. So for example, if you're going to start a YouTube channel just like me, I ain't going to let anybody just tell me, that's cringe, you know. You have to still, because you really want it, you have to establish that you really want it. And now you've taken this path of start YouTube channel. So don't let any of these comments start to filter in to your heart. And then you're like, I'm gonna give up. But that's not a good attitude. As an INFP, giving up is really not the best attitude. We always have an attitude of putting up with the fight. Because we're open-minded, alright? We're open-minded, we're not gonna give up. But the reason we give up is because of what other people think. We don't give up. Honestly, as an INFPs, I feel like we don't give up. On some things that we really want and we're really passionate about, we don't give up. It is really the people caused the giving up part. We also can't blame others. Help me be like, okay, I shouldn't listen to this person. That's most important, never give up. And thirdly is to avoid self-doubt. I know as an INFP, there's a lot of self-doubt. A lot of imagined self-doubt. And I wouldn't put overthinking on the list here because I think overthinking, it's tough to give advice on overthinking. But if you want to know how you can stop overthinking as an INFP, click on this video. I made a video all about how to stop overthinking as an INFP, so you can go and check it out. Anyway, how to avoid self-doubt is to really tell yourself that you're amazing. You're the best. Like, look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself that you are the best and you are suited for the day. Monday is gonna be the best day. Tuesday is gonna be the best day, and Wednesday is gonna be best. Every day is gonna be the best day. You can even set on your wallpapers motivational quotes. I believe INFPs really need motivation at this age because a lot of self-doubt is coming along at your age because you have everybody on one side doing something and you're on one side doing something that nobody is. There's no common ground between the major crowd and you know what you like to do. So that comes to my fourth point on the list, which is you are not alone. I know the song Michael Jackson, y'all. You are not alone. I know, I get it. As an INFP, you tend to do things differently from the crowd. And that is actually a strength of ours. Okay, you have to recognize that that is a strength that we need to embrace. Because we have the ability to not only follow what we like, but also we already like that thing. So it's very hard to be like, I want to join this crowd. But so if an INFP ever finds themselves very hard trying to fit in, that is actually a strength. And don't bother trying to fit in, because as an INFP, we don't fit in. Because we already know on our path, on our life, we are very straightforward, quite straightforward. Not too straightforward, but we are straightforward in the sense that we kind of know, if I want to be an artist, I'll be an artist already. I'm going to leave all that negative energy or those people who are not into art behind, because I'm on this path. And when you're on this path in life, you tend to not see yourself deviating to another path. While you may see people in those like very popular courses or fields like engineering and all that, they start to deviate to music, art. They realize that engineering is not for them, they don't like programming, you know. So you start to see major crowd to deviate when you grow older. You realize that actually you've already established what you like. So just go on with it. You're not alone. It's a very scary and lonely path, as you may think. But there's so many people like, imagine entrepreneurs. They are the ones that really push the barriers, the envelope. But if you look at the people that are just following the tide, you know, the tide of everybody is doing IT, everybody is doing engineering, everybody is doing... We're just pushing against the tide. We're just like, no, we're gonna do what we like. So yeah, that concludes to my video to what you need to do or avoid as an 18-year-old INFP. What I want you to take away from this video is to not doubt yourself and to always believe that you're the best. Anyway, if you found this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell for more videos just like this. Bye bye.